Here is the new critical mass audio 3.5-inch component system. They are available in 2way and also in 3way systems. You have the 24 dB per octave crossover. You have two 3.5-inch critical mass Neo magnet 3.5-inch woofers with butyl rubber surround and real carbon fiber. Really nice design. And you also get two of their tweeters. They have the really nice locking mechanism behind, so you can screw them in for a nice flush installation. Again, this is the critical mass 2way 3.5-inch component system. Really good sounding system. Again, carbon fiber, butyl rubber surround, Neo magnet, really large voice coil for a 3.5-inch, and as always made in the USA. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you and have a good day.